In this video, I'm going to show you how to sauce a pizza using a spoon. This is what's going on. We always, when we sauce a pizza, we start from the center. This is a classic, and we're not going to mess with it. That's just what's going to be. So we're just going to go out. If you want to do a circular motion, look, I'm keeping the spoon the same. I'm just doing this. I don't need to do anything particular. I'm standing where I'm at. I'm just going out. Look, this is what's going on with a spoon. I can do this. I can press hard or not too hard. Just so I have two things to do. So look at it. I'm just bringing everything kind of around. Like if I have hypothetically too much sauce here and no sauce over there, easy peasy. Look, I'm just kind of bringing it around like that. So ultimately what I want to do is just have a very thin layer of the sauce on my pizza, as you see, just using a spoon. I can just, again, grab if I need to do a little bit less or more. Very easy. But I always want to start with the center and go out in the classic circular motion. Boom, 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 like this till you get to the edge. And that's how we sauce a pizza using a spoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a sauce ladle. Clearly, it's been working hard today, which we appreciate very much. I believe this is a 6-ounce ladle. You can get different sizes. So for our store, we use the 6-ounce one. So for like a 16-inch dough, we know pizza, we know how much sauce goes in there. For a 20, it's a little overflowing. So you always start in the center. This is so easy. Instead of getting complicated here, here's what's going to be. I'm going to press this thing down, and then I'm going to do little circles, getting a little bit bigger. That's it. Simple. This is not complicated. And now as I'm going, I've created what's called a ring of death. I'm going to go over it. You see what I did? I just went over it. Boom. I'm like, oh, maybe there's a little bit too much sauce there. My ladle is tilted. I'll bring it in this way. Do you see that? So with this, it's like a boat. Look, I can press it hard or like very, lightly press it. This is how we want it to be. Just very gentle, gently sauced, all evenly distributed. And that's how we use a ladle.